Hey guys, and welcome back to Winding Racing. Well, if you've been paying attention to RallyBug and the build of that, the last video I did on RallyBug was that I couldn't get it through emissions. And, well, the 30-day tag is all used up, and I'm determined to get through because the only other option is a 3-day tag. I'm going to get that tomorrow. But I went out and I warmed it up today, and I have this neat little temperature gauge here, and I want to show you guys something and see if you have any ideas, because to me this is a little strange. So I'm going to go ahead and start up RallyBug. Starts right up. Now, that's the temperature of that one cylinder. Now on this side, about 100 degrees more, and it's only been running a couple of minutes. Now we'll go on this side in the back. That's even cooler. That's the coolest cylinder there was. And I pulled that plug, and it was a little fouled. It wasn't sparking. I cleaned it up, and we got spark from it. But obviously, it's not running as hot as the other ones. We'll go to this other side. So my dilemma is, the left half of the motor is running about 100 degrees cooler than the right. Now, I'm thinking, okay, there's a Weber carburetor. It's got two different Venturas going through it. Is the left side of the carburetor clogged up, not delivering the fuel of the other one? That's really where I'm going to start tomorrow. Is I'm going to tear that carburetor apart, make sure it's all clean, and I can even smell the fuel, the unburned fuel. So we definitely have ignition issues. Spark plugs are fouled on the left side. Is that because it's been dumping fuel and fouling out those two plugs? I don't know. But that's going to be tomorrow's project, is getting this thing to run right, and hopefully I got to get through emissions this week. So if any of you VW guys have any suggestions for me, if you have experience tuning up these Weber carburetors, I'd sure love to hear from you, because RallyBug has got to get through emissions this week. So, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Any suggestions, please let me know. Subscribe to the channel, and maybe together we'll get RallyBug to be street legal. Thank you very much, guys.